Okay guys, well today I'm going to have a go at trying to pick this lock here, which is an ASSA 6-pin high security Euro cylinder. And what I'm going to try and do is get this picked on camera. I'm going to SPP this one. And there we go. That's picked. I'm so glad I've managed to get that on camera. That is definitely that's definitely been the most difficult lock that I've ever picked. Extremely high tolerances in this lock, and to be honest, this lock really hasn't left my hand for about 2 days. I've been really trying to get the picking time down on this one, and pretty much got it into a fine art now. So there we go, that's the ASSA high security 6-pin Euro cylinder SPP. What I might try and do, if I can, is at the end of the video include a couple of pictures of what the pins look like in this lock. I had an old ASSA Euro cylinder which I gutted ages ago and kept some of the pins, and it's got some real nasty security pins in it. Can't get that now. See, now that the top pins have dropped down, it's even hard just to turn the plug around. But anyway, there we go, that's SPP'd, and I'm very glad I've managed to get that on video. Okay, well thanks for watching. Keep watching, so we'll be posting some more videos soon. Please leave your comments, and please rate the video. Cheers. Okay guys, yeah, sorry, I forgot to add, I haven't actually got the key for this one, so I can't show you the bitting on the key. But that was it really, just the key. Okay, well thanks for watching.